Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwa. Guys, Umnisi is on fire. Upesele Akot, he's king. Oh my gosh, like, Umnisi is taking other directions. Umnisi is hot, eh? Hot. Constable Zoom with General Shabanangit, but Umnisi cannot find the location of that meeting with General Sibiya, no, Buthelezi, and Makubu. Rasa says that meeting took place at Chlor Copy and Uyalalela, like he always does. He actually spent about 10 minutes telling us about Utumanokwe and how he was the first black lawyer and how he was mistreated during apartheid days. Oh, how he was so good. His statue was even taken out. Guys, I'm just like, really, bro? 10 minutes, okay, for that? Can't be serious. And then Urata continues to say that Mngomezulu said that Uzungu is a liar. I was just like, bro, just leave Mngomezulu alone. He must just rest now. Like, honestly, you can just make an example, but and the fact that he had said that he will call Ulishabana, late advocate Thulan Mngomezulu during the trial, within a trial, but he didn't. It's hot in that court, and Abazwani and Ubrigadier Gininda, because Umnisi is exposing Ubrigadier Gininda and Ubaloyi. I feel today, on the third day, he's just Mugisangab. It's just so bad. The problem is just when he's speaking, Nangurat, Nai, we interject, and it just becomes messy. You know, Baloyi Umnisi must leave Brigadier Gininda, busy asking him what transpired at DPP. Umnisi, I won't do that. I won't leave this guy. We are here because of this guy. Why must I leave him? We are entitled, no, accuse all 5 of them. We are entitled to know what speaking in a court. You understand? Baloyi is irrelevant, and that was. It's unnecessary, actually, for him to be asking that. No, it's not relevant for what happened at DPP. And they're holding your team. Gafana, now you're not supposed to know what one at DPP. Just as much as now, it's not fun who was to most Kulman and client like Kuluman. So we should attack a lapok. He does not have to tell Umnisi that in detail what they were talking about at DPP. Also, listen, unless it is something that you are hiding, so it's not a privilege to have that information. It's not that great. I mean, anyone can have that information, and especially because it's last corner because of you. I need to when I figure out actually DPP, because of you. And that is why we are where we are. So I need facts of what you're talking about on the day, you know. Umnisi went on to say, the court is about that meeting, unless you are hiding something, then you have to tell the court everything. We are entitled as the defense and the accuser are also entitled to know what happened on the meeting, what transpired on the day, what was said at DPP. You were there, so you must tell us. It's not a secret, yeah. What does Baloyi mean? It's irrelevant. It's not. Umnisi actually was basically telling the court. Umnisi wants the facts from the lead investigator, obviously, Brigadier Gininda, of what they were talking about at DPP. Umnisi is like, Brigadier Gininda is here to assist me and the court. He is not doing me a favor. Actually, he's forgetting the logo, but my thing is that he's not doing us a favor. He must tell us. It's okay, DPP, Sahlala. Obviously, he's repeated it many times, I guess, guys. But Sahlala DPP, Watu Baloyi, Wafagazi Sbanbani, Watu Lishabane, Watu Makubo. Okay, we ended up with 636. With 375 is how far ngaphansi compared. You understand? That's how you must explain it to us. That's just my thing. And people are calling for 375. But the 6 people that were in the house must come. We are tired. Lalela Umnisi was going crazy on Baloyi Watula Urata after he was telling us about Dumanokwe, who was one of the first black lawyers who was treated badly during apartheid and he died in exile. His remains have been brought to, I'm sure you saw on TV, guys, to South Africa. Rata akhulumele ubrigadier yakhe Ninda athi information yakhe is privilege, is actually privilege to him. Hayi guys, ziyakhala ecourt, ziyakhala shame. Athi nawe mos angithi uma ukhuluma neclient yakhe asiphazamisi indaba zenu noma uthi so why do you want this guy to break it down what happened at DPP, you know? And then say the surah singenaphi. That's just my thing. Athi no my lord, I want the facts. What were they talking about? When he told NPA about us, which then uthi us as a defense ngiyacabanga, then NPA decided on this trial as a result. We are where we are because of their sanity. So akasitsheleke ukuthi babekhuluma ngani on that boardroom, you know? Umnisi uphezu kwaGininda guys, I had to write it down that one. And Baloyi, and then uRatho vela overrule wathi yazini Baloyi akangizwa kahle umnisi ngicela ukuthi ufunde futhi section 179. Awufunde Baloyi section 179 lokhuluma ngokuthi you can't do that to the witness. Ngiyibona leyo nto le. Hayi umnisi still didn't care about that. He was just like, no, I want the facts of the day. What led us to be where we are now? Why still I call Safia Ganjan? Ilo baba lo pelo ongas answer long yambona ubaloyi. But Brigadier Gininda must tell us what happened on the day. And then guys, I don't know if you heard Umnisi on the side, he said, then I won't proceed if uqhubeka nokufunda lo 179. Cabanga guys. Ngoba vele bathi I know I overrule actually. In fact, lento yakho lo busy ufuna ukubuzana noGininda ukuthi ena Babitini, you want the facts. I think I overrule like uzofunda 179 and then that's it. Imagine guys. But no, my lord, I'm looking for the facts. Brigadier Gininda, the ones that he presented at the public prosecution, at the director, that he actually presented at DPP, the iPhone, that assisted him. Ubopa, all the 5 accused. Angit, he must tell us. And then again, you try to make it brief. Brigadier Gininda, he was reading. There were 7 people in the house, Kakeli, and then the guy with big eyes. Usho are just number 3 guys at the time, but is the only person that had big eyes. Lo abahlali bebulala nomnisi. Athi umnisi lo muntu is light, it's not brown. We busy saying this person is brown. It's not brown umuntu. Athi again, then there was one child. Kanjani? Uthingo no Christian must have both there. It's confusing guys. Ngoba uKelly is seen the following day ephethe uThingo. So I'm confused makuthiwa manje 7 people and 1 child. Yabona ukuthi isigebengu uGininda kazi sinamanga. For the people that were in the house, they can't be 7 and 1 child. There's 2 children there. Guys, uthe safunda uGininda ke chaza ke the whole thing yokuthi kwenzakala and then someone came ke wadubula and then wadubuleka uSenzo and then he was certified dead on arrival at the hospital. Konke lokho, the whole thing that happened there kaMakhumalo, that crazy house there, you know, that dark house. Oh my gosh, to this day asikwazumtholela uSenzo Meyo obulungisa. Wavela umstop umnisi. Wathi can you please stop? Wathi urathi hayi qhubeka wena ufundo. Wathi umnisi kanjani ngoba phela I've just said umuntu he must stop reading. I'm trying to understand what he's saying, so I'm writing. Athi awuna abantu amanotes. Athi no, athi actually I'm journeying now. Wena hello. Hello, please make a copy for Umnisi. So but I didn't like that because I just feel like he continues Urata to gaslight and treat defense like trash. There was no need for that. He could have just spoken to him nicely. He didn't even have to adjourn. He was going to be like, oh, okay, like, what's up with that? So he's reading some of those facts. What's going on? There's no need for that trashing of Umnisi like that. So I just feel Leandro came back again. You bias. Something he doesn't do to Baloyi. Baloyi is messing up since Monday, guys. He has no information, he has no papers, there's nothing. But of some tree. Of like guava, you know, like crazy things like that. I'm just like, oh no, Babalo must stop. So yes, guys, because they had to adjourn anyway. I'm sure Bazo end up feedback. I'll continue with the video this evening. Thank you so much, guys. Nintanda over. Thank you, guys. Please, guys, ubuga ama edzi. Hey, the views are just so low as well. I'm just like, what is going on? But everyone has been complaining about YT. Ama views in Jena, alo. But I appreciate you guys. I do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for ukungithanda nami nginithanda over.